Okay, so what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you all my, well, not all of them, but the ones that I brought here because I went somewhere else today. So, I'm gonna show you all the Rubik's cubes that I brought, and let's get into it. Okay, so first we have the 3x3. This is like almost the first Rubik's cube that I've ever solved, except for the other one that I'm about to show you next. But I can solve it, and it's pretty easy actually, but I'll show you just, I'll just show you when I solve. Okay, now I'm about to solve the top part, and so it's like that, and then okay, and now I'm about to solve it soon. Just wait. And then I'm on the last step, and I solved it. So that's my 3x3, and it's also a speed cube, but I have another one, but I didn't bring it here. It's just like basically a practice cube, so yeah. So that's my 3x3, and I'm gonna show you my next Rubik's cube. Okay, so this is my next Rubik's cube. It's basically the 3x3, but just one layer of it, and it's much thicker than it, but I don't mean like the whole entire Rubik's cube, of course. I mean like the layers, like that. And so it's pretty easy to solve. And also I'm gonna show you something really cool. So first of all, you can do this, and you can like do this, but also you can do this. This is the cool part about it. So watch. Look at that. It's so weird. And it's pretty easy to solve it when it's like that, because like you don't really need to do that much stuff. But yeah, it's pretty easy to solve it. So, oh, I accidentally did that. Huh? Oh. I don't know what just happened. Ow. Oh. Then. And see? So that's my 1x3. So let's get into the next Rubik's Cube. Okay, now this is the next one. It's a triangle. And also, look at this. So you can turn the corners like this. I can solve this one too, but it's pretty hard for me because it takes a long time. And then you can also twist this. And yeah, it's pretty much you can twist. But it's okay. Okay, and I'm going to mix it and then solve it. Okay, now it's mixed. I'm going to show you when I'm going to solve it. Okay, guys, so I just solved it earlier, and I okay, so I was like, something like, boom, 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 boom. And then,
jobs does this guy have already? Yeah, dang. Oh wow. Okay.
I accidentally did that. Well, I will show you. And also the reason why I'm trying to solve it is because, when I was filming, but when I solved it, I forgot I was making a YouTube video, so, I mixed it up and then I have to solve it. So, pretty bad. So. Well, guys, I can solve it. For some reason, it's not trying to solve right now, but I'll at least try and solve it. But, yeah, so for some reason it just won't solve. I don't know why. Like, what the? As soon as I said it, I couldn't solve it. I solved it. Doesn't make sense. Well, that's for the triangle. And let's move on to the next Rubik's Cube. So the next one is the 2x2. So the 2x2 is pretty easy to solve, but this 2x2, well, the first Rubik's Cube that I've ever solved was this one. But then the second one that I've ever solved in my life was this one. And then the third one was this one, and then the fourth one was this one. So this one is not that pretty hard. So I'm just gonna mix it. I could solve it in like under a minute. I already know that because I've timed myself once, and I did it pretty fast. So let's do this in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I'm about to solve it, and solved it. It's pretty easy, but this next one, I cannot solve a single bit. So let's get on to it. The next one is the Rubik slide. So the Rubik slide is basically just a 3x3, but one of the pieces are gone, and you have to slide it like this to solve the whole entire thing. And it's so hard. And I don't even know how to do the first step of this onto this Rubik's Cube. Because the first step to solve this Rubik's Cube is to make something like, something like a daisy, like, see? And it doesn't matter if there's like other ones right there or there or there. It just matters about the daisy. And I can't even do the first step on this one. I can't even get a single white on the yellow. So it's just crazy. So, pretty weird. So, this is like almost one of my favorites though. But the last Rubik's Cube. And it's going to be the tiny 3x3. So, this is probably like one of my favorites because like it's just so tiny and it's a 3x3. And it took me a while to solve this thing because it's like hard to like move. And like you can't really move it that well. So like you have to like, and like it's just like so cool. So it's pretty cool. So, and that's the end of the YouTube video. And I hope you loved that video. And I hope you like my Rubik's Cubes too. So bye bye guys. See you in the next video.